All right, Shaylin, here we go. All right, in this video, we're going to learn the 4 different strokes that we use. Anything we play on the drums all involve a combination, one of these strokes or a combination of them. The 4 strokes are the full stroke. The first one is the full stroke. It starts in an up position, starts up away from the drum, and it hits the drum, it comes back to the starting spot. It makes a full range of motion. Full, 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 full. Now the next one, let's say if I was playing 16th notes, I'm using full strokes. 1 E and a 2 E and a, I could start even here. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a motorcycle. That's a full. Starts here, comes right back up. But what if I want to go from playing up here to suddenly playing down here real quiet? I'm going to have to use a different stroke. And I kind of put the air brakes on it, so just a little bit. So what it is it starts up. I'm going from up, but I want it to stay down. So here, I'm thinking down is maybe 3 fingers off the drum head, right? Down. Now look, it starts up, and then I come down. And notice how my wrist kind of bends a little bit. I'll do this hand so maybe you can see it even. Down. Do you see how that pops just a little bit? And I point down, because if I don't point down a little bit, my stick, this tip is going to just start floating up, and I don't want that. I want it to stay low to the drum, down. So if I pop my wrist a little bit, pop, down, and that pop like a little marionette on a string, pop. So full, down. And again, I'm a few 2 to 3 fingers off the drum. Okay, full down. Now while I'm down here, I want to play quietly sometimes. I don't want to be playing up here. I want to do the same thing, but I want to play down here. So it's very low to the drum, very light. And I almost just, I don't know if you can see, that I almost just release this a little bit. Like if I were to draw an eye here and an eye there, right? And go, hi, my name is whatever, Bob. Okay, so I'm just kind of opening that just a little bit, just releasing just a little bit, just releasing it a little bit. And that lets it go down in there. Tap, 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 tap. Notice what happens here? Watch. Tap, tap. I'm not striking it because that's not a tap. It's a tap. So to start again, full, down, tap. Now, let's say I want to go back to playing louder, playing up. I've got a drum stroke for that, and it's called up. And it's like a check mark. So if this is the head surface of my drum, and I'm here, I'm just going to go and pull it out. Tap and pull it out. Tap and pull it out. Tap, tap, reset. Tap, reset. Tap. You can't start a tap from up here because that's not a tap. That's a full or a down. So tap, other side. Tap, reset. Tap. So let's go through all 4 because one of them kind of leads to the next and it creates this beautiful circle. So watch this. Full, it starts up and it goes back up and it's loud or louder. Tap, or full, down, it starts up, but it ends down. And then tap is down and it stays down. And up, it begins down, but it comes back up. Full, down, tap, up, full, down, tap, up. Other hand, full, down, tap, up. Full, down, tap, up. Again, full, down, tap, up. Full, again, down, tap. Two with the other hand. Full, down, tap, up, full, down, tap, and up. All right. So that's the general thing with the 4 different types of strokes that make up everything we do in drumming. Now, there's a rudiment called a flam. And just like we have the word the, we have a consonant blend, the T and the H, that make the th sound. We don't go t, h, eh. No, we say the. So a flam is an F and an L, flam, and it's 2 notes that are played together. One of them is the main note, and the other one's just a little quiet note that gets played alongside. So the main note is this stroke, a down stroke, down, down. And then the little softer note, it could either be a tap. We know by choice it has to either be a tap or it could be an up. In this case, it's an up. So we're going to do a down stroke and we're going to do an up stroke at the same time. So the hands are just going to switch places. Ready? Now, it's not this. That's like saying t, h, eh for the. But we want the. Flam, flam, flam. Notice how my hands are set. If I say it's a left hand flam, the hand coming down is going to be my left hand flam. If I say play a right hand flam, it's the hand that comes down, the major note, the louder note gets to name the flam. Right. Left hand flam. Left hand flam again. Notice how I kept my stick here because I had to get ready for another left hand flam. But normally it's hand to hand flams. Flam, 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 flam. And a little bonus is if I said, can you play a flam tap? What would that look like? The hand that comes down is the hand that's going to tap after it comes down. Flam, and it's already down there, tap. Flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So, those are 2 different rudiments you've learned. Flam, other hand flam, and flam tap. Flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap. Okay. Full, down, tap, up are the 4 strokes. And they make up all of our rudiments and all the cool things we get to play. So have fun practicing that, and we'll move on with the other things. But I want you to make sure that you have a good time of practice and really get that under your belt where it's not like this. But notice my sticks aren't way high. I'm not like this. It's just I bend from my wrist. Real simple, really relax. My shoulders are down, not like this. Shoulders down, I'm breathing. And if I want, I can go faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, sometimes when we go really fast, sometimes they go together and it creates a boink sound. So that means we've hit both sticks at the exact same time, and that means we did it wrong. So we got a little sloppy. I don't expect you to go that fast. Okay. Flam. Full, down, tap, up, full, down, tap, up, full, down, tap, up, full, down, tap, up. Now, we're going to go hand to hand. Full, down, tap, up, other hand, full, down, tap, up. And you could even play like this. Full, full. Whoops. That was a down stroke, wasn't it? Here we go. Full, full, down, down, tap, tap, up, up, full, full, down, down, tap, tap, up, up. And I was really exaggerating my sticks going straight up like a rocket. They don't need to do that. But I want to just emphasize staying relaxed as you're playing this, and don't think too heavy or too hard about it. It's how we go from playing louder or bigger or grander to playing softer. Again, taps are the same as a full stroke, but they're low to the drum. Because I start here, go down, and come right back to the same spot. So, all right, I think that's it, and have a good time, a good week of practice, and we'll see how you are in our lesson.